So I want to beg all of you, work for us to consolidate and continue with the level of development we have seen. Come out in your numbers and show that you really want the youth, not to talk by mouth every day. Youth has come. Youth has come. It's not up to 50 years old. Youth has come. If you miss this opportunity, don't talk about youth again. This is the opportunity you have. Look at the monorail. River State government spent 50 billion naira. Monorail. 50 billion naira. Ask that you are listening to them, ask them. Don't ask me. When they come to campaign to you, wicked but ask, my brother, yes, in back, that 50 billion monorail, did they go where? I mean, and you are students, you should be analytical. You should ask questions. It's not about my brother or my friend or my boyfriend or my girlfriend. No. How can you tell me kilometer of 1 kilometer of monorail 50 billion naira? It's your money, it's not my money. And that is the same thing somebody's coming now to tell me, if you vote for him. Kai.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.